Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 04 to 12, Colorado and Canyon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Jack up your vehicle and support it with jack stands in front of and behind the part being installed. Step 3. With a jack, slide the part up to the frame, lining up the holes to the left and right. Mark each side, bottom, and back of the part to determine where to cut the bottom of the frame. Remove the part and begin cutting on the line. Step 3. Grind and clean the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Using a weld-through primer, paint the work area and part to help prevent against further rust development. Fit the new piece onto the frame. And begin welding. Finally, once the part is completely welded, remove the jack stands and reassemble your vehicle. And you're done.